Getting fresh produce home from the farmer's market or grocery is only half the battle. Next comes keeping it fresh and safe to eat. Now, some vegetables and fruit need to be stored in the refrigerator. Others need to ripen before being placed in the refrigerator, and some are just best stored at room temperature or in a cool, dry place. Take zucchini, squash, or even root vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes. Onions and even your garlic should be stored in a cool, dark, dry spot outside of the refrigerator. Try a cupboard or even a root cellar. Now, for the best tasting tomatoes, store them at room temperature away from direct sunlight. This will help them ripen evenly. Now, once your tomatoes are ripe, they can be placed in the refrigerator. For all other vegetables or fruit that go directly into your refrigerator, you need to be aware of moisture. Now, moisture is your produce's worst enemy. Now, you can combat condensation and moisture with airtight containers and just good old paper towels. Remove your produce from their plastic bags and place them in an airtight container. Next comes just a simple layer of paper towels. Make sure you cover your entire produce really well and the lid on secured and tight. Now, here's the trick. Once you get it together, make sure you flip it and store it upside down. That way the moisture seeps to the bottom of the paper towel. Once you take it out to use it, replace that paper towel as you feel it becomes damp or needs to be changed. If you do this weekly, your fresh produce will be safe and fit to eat.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.